Hello, hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. I am here today to share with you the latest Kraftin Kimmie release and all the creations that I made for it. So let me move some things aside and we will get right to it. Lots and lots of fun and cute stuff to share this month. If you could tell from my cards, it's kind of a Halloween release. First up, we have the Dazzling Diamond stencil, which is very, very fun. There is also another stencil. I don't have it in my possession quite yet because there was a miscommunication, but it's a layering pumpkin stencil, and it is so, so fun. All right, and then the stamp sets, hopefully you can see that. First, we had Monster Sediments. I mean, this is so much fun. I can see it being used on its own or paired with other stamp sets. It is just great. Fangs for your friendship. Happy Halloween. I love you for your brains. Wicked without coffee. How fun is that one? Sending birthday witches. Have a beautiful night. Love your guts. Alone bad. Friend good. I'm baddie for you. Have a monstrously good day. Werewolf. I be without you and hope your days doesn't suck. I mean, so much fun. And then the little added icons with it. Super, super fun. Next up we had Bewitched. Another, I love this one. The little witches. There's even a wizard, some bats. Just so, so fun and can be paired with those monster sentiments so easily. And next is probably my favorite one. Perfect Halloween. I love the little cats and their little accessories. Boo to you. The best treat of all is you. You're so special to me. Happy Halloween. You're too cute to spook, and wishing you a perfect Halloween. You can see I've used mine quite a bit already. Then the last stamp set was so much fun. Little monsters. Yeah, just so fun. Little like Frankenstein. Probably like a zombie, a vampire, a werewolf, ghost, spider. Just adorable and fun. And then there was an add-on bundle. As a design team member, we just kind of split the bundle. There's some of this Tim Holtz, I think it's like washi tape. There, don't think that the ribbon was included. That was, or the twine, that was part of a virtual retreat. There was some chipboard, which is super fun. You can color it. You can leave it plain. You can add sparkle to it. Super fun. Lots you can do with the chipboard. And then some little sprinkles from like Doodlebug. And then the new ink color was Alluring Amethyst. It's a beautiful purple. There's only one more color of ink coming out next month, and then we're taking a break from the inks so that people can kind of catch up and everything. So that's fun too. Onto my cards. For day one, for those monster sentiments, I did Sending Birthday Witches in that new color. There's some of that chipboard that I colored with a Copic marker and then just add stickles to. And then there's the inside. Next up was the Bewitched, and I went with the little bat, and I used my colored pencils on some craft cardstock to color. There's a sentiment from that Monster Sentiments, I'm baddie for you, that I heat embossed. I used that Tim Holtz tape there and just made this little mini slimline, and there's the inside. I really like how that one turned out. And then for that perfect Halloween, I did some tent topper cards. I actually taught this one in a class in the virtual retreat. Wishing you a perfect Halloween. Again, there's some of that chipboard, those cats, and there's the inside. So when you stand it up, you have that little back spot there. This one's just Happy Halloween. Again, just simply decorated on the inside. Wishing you a perfect Halloween, all three of those little kitty cats. And then we had the little monsters, and I used that Dazzling Diamond stencil with some inks. I stamped the spider webs, or the cobwebs first, and heat embossed them, and then I did the stenciling over that. some This Calls for Confetti on there because I'm addicted. Have a Monstrously Good Day. That's from the Monster Sentiments. Just super fun. And I stamped him on the inside. Then get to see 2 sneak peeks. This is for tomorrow for our Hop and Shop. I colored up this image from that Bewitched stamp set. I had these spiderweb doilies in my stash. Thought that that was a fun accent. And just some rainbow colored paper that was from Doodlebug. And then sending birthday witches on the inside, and I stamped her. I love that little frog. I think this one is super fun. It's not your typical Halloween, but still fun. And then on Wednesday, we're going to have an Instagram hop. Be sure you come hop with us. And I made this with those little kitty cats, that perfect Halloween again. Wishing you a perfect Halloween. I added some of the little accessory stamps and then just some flags on the inside. So there are my creations from this August 2022 Kraftin Kimmie release. Everything is available now. I have an inkling that some of these might sell out pretty quickly. I would run on over to the shop and grab them up. And until my next video, I hope you have an amazing crafty day. Thanks so much for stopping by.